Friends, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. This video I will share you top 10 best meme coin that is still not pump here because you can see friends recently we see massive rally in BTC, Ethereum and all other cryptos, but these 10 coins is still not pump or again in massive dump here. But definitely these coin has potential to be the next $1 billion market coin. We can see massive rally in these coins if BTC at these levels $92,000 to $90,000. Okay, and other massive rally in BTC in coming few days, then definitely these 10 coins have potential to be the next $1 billion market coin. We can see a massive rally in short term in these coin also. Friends, of first coin, okay, is Koma Inu coin, BNB ecosystem meme coin. You can see friends, Koma Inu recently hit a massive rally here, but right now, due to BTC's dumping, all other cryptocurrencies are dumping. Its price is also dumping. You can see by 20% in last 24 hours. But friends, you can see last 24-hour high was $0.032, but right now it low that was $0.21. But friends, definitely BTC stabilize around $92,000. We can see a massive rally in this coin. You can see in weekly chart we are now on this all-time low. Okay, right now we are on this all-time low, but definitely this coin will again pump upward and we can see a good, okay, massive rally in short term in Koma Inu and also in long term. Friends, second coin is Play. Okay, Solana ecosystem dog theme meme coin. You can also check out these coin by yourself also. Current market cap just 2.4 million. So super low cap coin. Recently we see a massive rally in this coin, hit $0.0045. Okay, you can see $0.045, but right now 29% dump. 29% dump in last 24 hours. But friends, definitely if crypto market again going well, then this coin in short term can perform good and also in long term maybe we can see this coin to the moon also. Friends, third one is Sundog. You can see last 24-hour high was $0.59, low $0.49. Okay, almost 10% dump in this coin, but you can see in 1 day chart, in weekly chart, this coin is looking also very low. You can see, okay, listed on $0.025, make all-time high there was $0.3. After that this coin was dumped here in weekly chart. I can see if Bitcoin, again I tell you, if BTC, because entire meme coins, all these 10 meme coins depending on entire market, if market goes well, BTC stabilize on $90,000, cannot dump down $90,000, then definitely these be 10 meme coin skyrocket here, because last 24-hour trading volume on just MEX exchange is $1 million for Sundo coin. In weekly chart this coin is looking bullish. Maybe we can see its breakdown. Here you can see friends, Tron ecosystem meme coin, first ever meme coin in Tron ecosystem, $50 million market for Sundo Gallery, so this is good. Friends, fourth one is base ecosystem dog theme meme coin. You can see $36.8 million market cap for Dogecoin meme coin. Okay, and this meme coin has massive hype for a few days ago in crypto market. You can see last 24-hour high price was $0.0017 and low was 0.3 times $0.53. More than $200,000 trading volume in just MEX exchange. So this is amazing. You can see friends, weekly chart is good, 4-hour chart is also good. So this coin can also pump huge in short term and also in long term. Friends, fifth one is Cat in a Dog's Worth, a cat theme meme coin in Solana ecosystem. You can see $228 million market. This is huge, friends, because still this coin is not listed on Binance Coinbase. Okay, already $228 million market. So this is amazing. And Solana ecosystem coin, you can see weekly chart. This coin is also very down. You can see listed here and make all-time high around $0.12. After that, this coin dump here and right now we have some green candles that shows if market can goes well, then we can see its breakout also. So view can be good for long term and also in short term. And friends, you can buy all these 10 meme coins on MEX exchange. I already provide you MEX exchange and Gate.io exchange, link in description. You can join both and exchanges. Friends, sixth one is Simmons Cat. Okay, Cat is symbol already listed in Binance exchange. $43.8 million market only. Market is no doubt very low, but it's good because of recent market crash. Weekly chart, this coin is also very down. You can see friends, okay, we are on its bottom also. So this coin has potential to also break out soon. We can see massive pump in this coin also. Friends, seventh is Mo Coin, one of my favorite meme coin in this list. Weekly chart is also we're down. You can see, friends, all-time high was around five times zero $4, but after that, this coin was dump here. Right now, we are is the all-time low. $900,000 trading volume in just MEX exchange, and this coin is already listed in Coinbase. So maybe in coming few months we can see Binance listing also in weekly chart. This coin is also looking bullish. If BTC stabilize on $90,000, then we can see a massive breakout in more coin, and we can see it's a new all-time high in short term also. In long term, definitely this coin has potential to be the next 20 to $50 billion market coin. Another Solana ecosystem meme coin. Okay, coin number 8 is Chill Guy. Okay, $25.6 million market, already listed in Binance Futures. Still not on Binance Sport, but friends, already listed in Binance Futures. So this is good. Solana ecosystem coin listed in Binance Future. You can see weekly chart is looking awesome, looking bullish. You can see three green candle. Okay, continuously three weekly green candles for this coin. So it's possible that we can see its breakout also, because since long time this coin is in massive dip here. So maybe in short term we can see new all-time high also. So Chill Guy has also potential to be the next maybe 5 to 10 billion dollars market coin in long term. In short term, maybe we can see a massive rally also. First ninth one is Spawn Coin, $1.4 million trading volume in MEX exchange only, and last 24-hour performance is good. Weekly chart is looking bullish. You can see, friends, massive green candles in last couple of weeks. So this is good, looking bullish. You can see a monkey theme meme coin in Solana ecosystem. Solana ecosystem coin, $51.1 million market already for this coin. So this is good. Friends, last one is my most favorite meme coin in this list. His name is Shiru. Okay, you can see 0.7 times 0 $4 current price. Weekly chart is looking now bullish. Three green candles for Shiru, and Shiru has also potential to be the next $1 billion market coin. We can see a massive rally in short term for Shiru, and in long term this is $1 billion market coin. Ethereum ecosystem cat theme meme coin.